What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today I want to give you guys a realistic price prediction with the release of Shibaswap. So a lot of people yesterday in the live stream have been asking me. It was time and time again, question after question, multiple times asking, hey, for Shiba Inu, what is your realistic price prediction for the release of Shibaswap? And I kind of gave them again, after doing some calculations and kind of looking at it as, hey, what is the most realistic price prediction? Today, I just want to make a dedicated video just to that, because we know where we reached all-time highs was around that 3,600 Satoshi unit mark, 3,641 or so. So we saw a major sell-off ever since, because the overall crypto market did pull back towards the middle of May because of a lot of FUD and things alike. And again, we've been consolidating ever since, between pretty much at the bottom of 7 Satoshi units all the way up to, it looks like maybe a breakout at almost 12 Satoshi units, or excuse me, 120. But regardless, right now sitting at 850 Satoshi units, I think, again, right now is potentially a really, really good time to get in on Shiba Inu for anyone who's looking to potentially start investing in cryptocurrencies and Shiba Inu token specifically. Now, of course, always make your own decisions. I can't tell you whether to buy or sell because I'm not a financial advisor. So again, take everything I say for a grain of salt. But just looking at the overall crypto market, looks like it's rebounding very nicely. Ethereum almost up 6%. Could be because Floyd Mayweather yesterday during the fight was wearing the attire yet again that had Ethereum on it. His boxing shorts had an Ethereum logo on it. So that was pretty cool to see. The fact that someone with such a big platform is able to also share our liking and investing in cryptocurrencies. But regardless, guys, before I dive into the price prediction, I do want to mention the links below. So for Webull, you get 2 free stocks when you deposit $2,300 with Webull. You have till the 17th of June to do so. The reason I'm focusing so much on Webull these days is because the AMC short squeeze. Looking at it here again, you guys know that it's approaching. So up 4.32% in the pre-market. And the nice thing with Webull is you can trade in the pre-market. Most of the time you cannot in most brokerages, because they allow you to start trading once platforms are live. So get your free stocks with Webull and have the ability to trade on the pre-market. So again, take care of that. And also with BlockFi, get your 2 free, not 2 free stocks, but with this one here, you get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin when you deposit money into your BlockFi account. So take advantage of these free times or free promotions, because again, you make a lot of money doing so, just like that. So it's just a gift from me to you and a gift from BlockFi and Webull to me. All right, now, before I talk about Shibaswap, we know that Eric, one of the developers for the Shibaswap platform, said, here specifically, I'm just going to highlight this part here. He said, is the platform ready? Yes. For a while now, it has been ready. It's always fine to keep testing while we wait for the green lights from the audits. Absolutely. So they're making it as perfect as possible before they release it. But I anticipate the release is going to be very soon. Also with the Robinhood petition, we're approaching 150,000 signatures, guys. So again, Robinhood is not overlooking this. They're aware we're the top 10 petition in the United States, or actually in the globe. So the fact that Shiba Inu is on their radar, we're going to potentially see a listing here soon. And I think that's what's kind of determining my price prediction. The fact that Shibaswap is going to be released and Robinhood is going to be listing Shiba Inu, both in very close proximity. So of course that's going to sway my opinion a little bit more. Now, with just a Robinhood listing or just a Shiba Inu listing or exchange, basically when we have the green light, when we can start exchanging and utilizing that platform. In my opinion, I think as soon as Shibaswap is released, we can return to all-time highs, very simply at 3,600 Satoshi units. But if Robinhood listing and Shiba Inu or Shibaswap release are nearly at the same time, if not the same exact day, and maybe the developers are just waiting for that, if that truly does happen and both of those catalysts are out at the same time, it might be a little overwhelming for all of us as investors, because it's so many catalysts we're getting hit by all at the same time. But regardless, then in my opinion, we can exceed the previous all-time highs of 36 Satoshi units, which again, from right now, it's more than a 5x potential gain or so in just a short amount of time. So right now for me, from current price target, I'm looking at 400% return at the very minimum, up to 500 to 600% return after Shibaswap is released. I think that is a very realistic, because back here people started understanding and learning about Shibaswap, but there was all the delays, paper handing, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. People were just kind of like misdirected. And of course, again, now we found a strong level of support to potentially buy into Shiba Inu. So don't miss out on your opportunity. If you have some money that you're willing to lose, it's not a bad thing to invest in. Because again, right now it's on discount. That's why I say it's not a bad thing to invest in. Because it's on discount with the most short-term catalysts. Look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin. Not many short-term catalysts on the way. Dogecoin already got its Coinbase listing, and it was listed on a really bearish time, unfortunately. So that's why I kind of prefer that the Shiba Inu folks wait till the market is back to being on a bull run, because that is the optimal time to release good news. You don't want to release good news at a bad time in the market. That's something you can time as a development team. As soon as you see double-digit gains across the market, hey, right now is our opportunity to list Shibaswap and allow people to start exchanging and trading cryptocurrencies alike on it, and staking, burying or digging, farming, that kind of thing. So again, just my opinion, of course. If we look at the one-day chart, lots of consolidation. I thought we were breaking out, guys, last night, as we saw, green candle after green candle after green candle. But it looks like, again, selling off. So lots of resistance, but at least we have a strong level of support way down here. So again, I'll drop down to 8.4 Satoshi units, and I think it was hit twice. Yep. So you guys can pretty much see 3 times, basically. We're comfortable saying that at 840 Satoshi units, right around here, is a very, very, very good entry point, because we hit that 3 times and bounced right off of it with support. So again, not going to do too much of the technical analysis, but I wanted to make sure you guys were ready for that. Now, before I end today's video, AMC, I want to make sure I address this because it's unfair if I don't. As you guys can see in the pre-market, now we're back to over $50, up about nearly 5% in the pre-market. Today, a lot of shorts, right now only 1% of shorts have been covered, meaning that the stock has a lot of room to grow and the short squeeze is imminent. More likely than not, as the shorts start to cover, we're going to see the buying pressure for this thing start to skyrocket, and AMC could easily reach back to $72 all-time high intraday trading today. And by the end of the week, we could see some of those price targets start getting hit. $500, people are saying $1,000, all very, very possible in the short term. Make sure you guys understand when I say this, in the short term. So I wanted to make sure for anybody that stayed on to the end of the video that you get this opportunity to understand what I'm doing with AMC. And I am looking to buy. I'm looking to buy today as soon as I am able to. After I upload my video, I want to buy a few more shares because, again, I just like having round numbers. So the goal for me, maybe 50 shares or so. We'll see what happens. But again, right now, still on discount. If you look at the 5-day chart, we saw this thing peak at 67, which was actually 72 in the aftermarket. But guys, sell off because, again, there was some fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But right now, all the bulls are ready to come out because all the things that happened this weekend. Lots and lots of catalysts. The naked shorts and all these things. 1% of shorts only being covered so far. Sky's only the start, guys. The moon is where we're headed. So let's see what happens with AMC. I'll give you guys updates throughout the day on the Discord, or I'll give you guys updates on the Patreon as well. But that's all I had for you all. Make sure you get your free stocks with Webull, and this is where I trade my AMC. Get your free Bitcoin with BlockFi, and until next time, everybody, keep investing.